Hi guys, it's Deborah from Time is Jewel by Deborah. Today we are opening up a 10/21/23 Sewanee, Georgia box. I chose to pick up a older box from my stash. I do have some from 2022. Who knows, I may even have one still from 2021. I don't know. I'll have to go through it and reorganize it, and I like to put them in a pile and then I mix them up so I don't have all the newer ones on top. So I do that about every 3 months. So, all right, let's see what Sewanee, Georgia has in store for us. I ordered this October 17th of 2023. Sewanee air pillows, paper. Okay. Those I can definitely use. So. Alright, so it looks like we've got some bags here. That means there will be multiples in bags. So let me go ahead and get this box out of the way. I'm going to move you guys down. Open up the bags and see what we got. Sometimes you get a box like this that has multiple items. So I have a feeling that that's what that might be. Let me go ahead and open this bag. Put it out. There's 2 items in there. 1, 2, yep. So yeah, hopefully there's multiples in there. We did get a box like this one time where it only had like 10 items, so that was not cool. Yeah, it looks like we've got some multiples there. And multiples hopefully in here. If I can get this bag open. This could be an ASMR box. Let's see. Okay, let's see if there's 1 or more items in there. Okay, yeah, it looks like a whole bunch of earrings. This one is taped. Boy. Let me find my little razor knife. I've got it right here. So we're just going to carefully slip that open. And I will show you guys what I got. Alright, there's 2 items, or I'm not sure how they count that. So, alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything out. I will get you guys prices, information, descriptions, and I will assign a number. And what you can do is email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com. And you can give me the date and the name of the video and the item number you would like. I will keep a completed sold list right down there. So, alright, I'm going to take everything out, get that information for you, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I've got everything ready to go. We might as well get started. Okay, we're going to start with some earrings. These are gold tone hoops. They are 2 1/4 inches. This is number 1, and we'll do $3 on these. And don't forget, you're going to claim by number by emailing me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com. All the information is there, and I will put up a green screen. So number 1 is the gold tone hoops, and those are $3. Number 1. All right, number 2 is a pair of silver tone hoops, and you can take these rhinestones off, so they're convertible. There seems to be a little bit of wear here. They are green rhinestones, silver tone. We will go ahead and do these number 2 for $5, and they measure in at 2 1/4 inches. All right, number 3 is another pair of earrings. These are pretty. These are gunmetal with a medium blue faceted acrylic stone. I did not see any maker's mark on them, but they are very pretty. They are 2 1/4 inches. This is number 3. We'll go ahead and do these for $5. All right, number 4. New on the card, Lauren Conrad. These are really pretty. I love that color of blue. They are new. They were originally, I think, $12 at Kohl's. Number 4, they measure in at 1 inch. We'll do these for $5. All right. Number 5, another pair of earrings. We get a lot of earrings in here. These are Anthropologie. These are in fantastic condition. They were selling them for $44 in the store. They are gold tone, just absolutely lovely. They're in about 1.5 inches. We'll go ahead and do the Anthropologie earrings for 12. All right, number 6, another pair of earrings. These are Bauble Bar. They are tassels. I thought we were through with tassels, but I guess not. But these look really well made. So you've got like a string there, and then you've got all these beautiful little tassels. I really think these are classy. And I am not a fan of tassel jewelry at all, but they are really pretty fun for a party. So they measure in at 3 inches. We'll go ahead and do number 6 for $3. All right, number 7 is a hinged bangle. This one is not marked. It is sitting at a 7 1/4, and you can see it has like 2 different colors of pink. It's in a great condition. We'll go ahead and do number 7 for $5. Okay, number 8 is 3 bangles. They all belong together, so I will sell them together. They are silver tone with some kind of a cool design. So they sit about, I would say best, about a 7 3/4 at the most. These kind of fall to an 8, but I would say, to be on the safe side, 7 1/2 at the largest. These are number 8. We'll go ahead and do the 3-piece set for $6. Okay, number 9 is gorgeous, you guys. So I was trying to test these. It is gold tone. It is costume. And so we have a whole bunch of areas that look like diamonds, but there are, or I should say stones. There are stones, 1 stone in each one, and they are too small for me to test, so they could be diamond. It is gold tone, really beautiful. We have the marking here. It says M in like a, not a triangle. I can't think of it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me bring this up. Sorry. It's a little blurry, but it's right there. MCN. It is a beautiful piece. It is 7 inches. We'll go ahead and do this for 20. It is in fantastic condition. All right. Number 10. We have a sterling silver and black glass beaded bracelet. 7 inches at the most. I would say best at a 6 3/4. That way you have a little wiggle room. It is faceted. Black glass. It could be obsidian. I am not positive on that, so I'm just going to call it glass. We'll go ahead and do number 10. It's 7 inches for $15. All right. Then we have number 11, which is a matching chain. Really pretty. Sterling silver, tested, of course. These are faceted. It is lovely. It's a little bit small. It measures in at 16 inches, but we can go ahead and do that for $30. It could be onyx, but I'm going to err on the side of glass. Okay. Number 12 is a cranberry and pink, maybe a rose. I don't know. What would you guys call that? Kind of a cranberry necklace. This one again is by New York. Let me see if I can lay this out. It is a triple layer. It's really pretty. It looks like it's in a really nice condition. It has an extender, and it has the 3 lengths on it. So we can go ahead and do number 12 for $8. All right, number 13. Let me get this laid out. It is dainty. Oh, I got it a little bit tangled. Oh, I hate when that happens. Okay, here we go. Let's see if I can do it. Gently. All right, it is really pretty. So it is gold tone. It has 2 stars on it. You have got a long extender here. And this is by J2J. Jennifer Zahner. Sorry, it's marked JZJ. J for Jennifer's Honor Jewelry Company. It's 19 to 20 inches, and it is a really pretty necklace. We can go ahead and do that for 12. It's in great condition. Okay, number 14 is Lucky Brand, new on the card. I love Lucky Brand. It is so well made. So you have this really pretty silver tone design here. It measures in at 26 inches, and then your dangle here is 6 inches. It is in fantastic condition. We can go ahead and do the Lucky Brand for, let's do it for 15. All right, then we got Kate Spade. This is so pretty. All right, I'm going to see if I can lay it out here. So it's silver tone. There is your Kate Spade tag. So you have all these beautiful flowers. All right. It's so funny. I have them laid out, but then, you know, you go to move them to show them on camera, and then it's like, no, I don't think so. I'm not going to cooperate. Some days are like that, aren't they? So this is number 15. It is 30 inches long. It's called the Oopsie Daisy silver tone necklace. It's in fantastic condition. We will go ahead and do number 15, Kate Spade, for $30. And number 16 is a beautiful Kate Spade. Again, gold tone faux pearl with rhinestones and enamel in like a, I would call that a cream color. It is a beautiful piece. It is 32 inches. This is called the Pearly Delight, and it is gold tone. We can go ahead and do this Kate Spade as well for 30. So if you guys are interested in any of these pieces, email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com. There will be a green screen coming up with ordering instructions. And if you ever have any questions, just give me an email. I check it all throughout the day. Mama don't sleep, so. All right, you guys. Well, let me know. Leave a comment and let me know what your favorite piece is. I love the two Kate Spades. I think those were my favorite pieces. So, all right, you guys. Well, you have a fantastic day or night wherever you are in this small world. And as always, be well and take care of each other. And please tell someone you love them today. It is really important. All right, I'll see you guys on the next. Bye.